Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole song easy method. Start by selecting ripe avocados with slightly soft skin and no large brown spots. Then gather lime, cilantro, red onion, jalapeno, and salt. Mash avocado to your preferred texture, mix in chopped ingredients, squeeze lime for brightness, and season to taste. Sing the verses as you work to lock steps in memory and keep the rhythm steady. Choose a simple melody that loops easily and repeat key steps in each verse so listeners memorize the recipe. Use a steady tempo and clap or tap to emphasize timing for mashing, chopping, and seasoning. Practice the chorus with measuring cues like 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1 lime until it feels natural and fun for cooking and singing at the same time. Record a quick demo to share with friends and to check pacing and clarity. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading guacamole recipes anywhere without messy cookbooks, with adjustable light and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like reading while cooking. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Keep guacamole fresh by storing pit in the bowl, pressing plastic directly on the surface, or adding a light squeeze of lime for acidity. Vary the song by swapping tomato, mango, or roasted corn for extra texture and flavor in different verses. Offer portion tips to sing serving sizes like 2 tablespoons per person and remind listeners to taste and adjust salt before serving. Practice transitions so singers can move from verse to chorus without dropping ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.